Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the Central University vacancies and the designation is technical assistant. So here the any graduate, any specialization may apply to this one. Okay, it is essential qualification is any graduate and any specialization. But few desirable qualifications are there that we will see in this video. And the salary is at 20,000 rupees per month. So really it is a wonderful opportunity to the graduates. Okay, so who are searching for the job. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is University of Delhi. UOH that you can see here. So from this university, under the non-teaching positions, non-teaching or contractual, I will provide this link at the end of the description box of this video, so you may check down. Okay, so click on this non-teaching or the contractual, then you will be directed to this one, and you may check down the technical assistant. So the three positions are there: 2 managing computer systems and 1 DEO. The deadline is 15th April 2021. Okay. So if you want to get the details regarding this one, click on the download here, then one PDF will be downloaded. Okay, you may check down the University of Hyderabad. So advertisement for the positions of technical assistant in the School of Mathematics and Statistics, University of Delhi on contract basis. Okay, so here applications are invited in the prescribed format from eligible candidates for the positions of technical assistant. And the details of the positions given here. Total 3 number of vacancies are there under the technical assistant. So out of these 3, 2 are the managing computer systems and 1 is DEO. So coming to the essential qualifications and experience, any bachelor's degree, fresher or experienced, with first class in any discipline from a recognized university with computer knowledge as well as a system maintenance. Okay. So here the technical qualifications are web-based designing and maintaining the computer system and networks. And while coming to the desirable qualifications, managing the computer system, that is knowledge or experience in MS Word and Excel, knowledge or experience in maintaining the computer systems and networks. And coming to the DEO, knowledge of experience in MS Word and Excel, knowledge or experience in maintaining computer systems and networks, and knowledge or experience in HTML language. So these are the desirable qualifications guys. Okay. And coming to the job description, so maintaining the computer systems and networks, web-based development, data entry, arranging online meetings of the School of Mathematics and Statistics, and communicating and liaising the school level academic, financial and administrative work, lecture notes preparing using the LaTeX. So consolidated emolument 20,000 rupees per month, and the tenure of the appointment is for a period of 1 year and can't be extendable. Age limit is not exceeding the 65 years. And few other details are also given here. The shortlisted candidates would have to appear for the interview, and the information will be sent through the email. So eligible candidates may apply in the prescribed format. Okay, prescribed format means I told you that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you click on this one, then the application form will be downloaded. So you just fill up that application form and then send to the Dean, School of Mathematics and Statistics, University of Hyderabad. Okay, so Professor C.R. Rao, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. And the candidates may also send the soft copy of the application form in the prescribed format, duly signed, to the Dean Maths tat@gmail.com along with the scanned copies of supporting documents in case it is not possible to send the hard copy of the application by post. So the applications should reach the above mentioned address or email on or before 15th April 2021, and the application received after submission, after the last date of submission, will not be considered. Okay, so it is a notification guys, so please share this one. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide